Hey guys, okay, we're at our final location for Saturday night, February 5th. It's MacLeod Trail and just before 25th Avenue. And traffic's starting to get heavy coming out of downtown there. That's where I'm pointing now. And I will pan around, and there is the advertisement. It's a good wall. You can see it for a long way. You can see this one for probably 3 city blocks. It's getting cold out, windy. So if I shake a little bit, it's because of the cold. And I will just pan around again. There's the C train station there. And then traffic coming southbound out of downtown. So we're here for another hour. We just got here. It's 10:30. We'll be here till 11:30. Okay, I'm gonna go warm up. So let this run. Talk to you soon.